Start stream. Okay, hi there. Another recap early because I think I'm giving up on the market today. As you can see, it's like everything is selling off, like really sharp wicks down, and SPY is almost 3% down. It seems that it's a continuation of the selling off in the market. It's been really tough. I think it's regardless whether it's demo or not, but because I noticed in the last couple of weeks in demo it was really tough to make money as well, and now trading live with all the stress with the fills I'm getting sometimes, it's just really hard. Um, Plus the costs are a little bit higher than I expected on light speed, so it all adds up to the overall feeling that it's much harder than I thought. So I traded a little bit more today because I thought, I'm just gonna give it a go. Actually, I spoke with my wife and we decided like give yourself $100 every day. Like if you lose $100, that's okay. It's a learning cost, because otherwise you'll never make it. But I can see today that it's just not working. Like I traded just um, moved some shares, but there's no point in doing that. I remember when the stock market is really positive. It's like so easy to you just add the money to your basket. But with this, it's really looking for the opportunities. And most of the stocks I was looking at today that were moving were like the outstanding shares were 493 million. This one is 166 million. APOP is 391 million. Those are not low float stocks, and it's just ridiculous. Where's that thing? What I was gonna do? So I had some profit yesterday, but um, not today. So one losing day, one winning day. So let me just check. Just bear with me 1 second. Just bear with me. Okay, I'm back. Is it today? 25th. Yeah. So let's have a quick look at this one. Actually, I didn't capture the first one. Yeah, on APOP. Okay, let me just switch it off for a moment. APOP. So what was I getting in? Yeah, I wanted to trade the open a little bit, and when I saw this selling off, I thought I'm gonna get in. I tried twice, and it just went against me. So I should have been buying more about this level. But actually, when you press the button, it fills you very often a little bit higher than you expect, and then when you get out, it's lower than you expect. So it's not like in demo. So it adds to the difficulty between live and demo. And what I was gonna say, so it kind of makes me think that the strategy should be really to hold the trades longer if they go my way, because otherwise I'll be losing very often, because first of all the fill will be bad on the entry and then on the exit as well. So just adds to my cost. What else? I think I wanted to show you that video about the bad fill, but remember which one was it? Let's see. Yeah, this one. This one. So I entered here because look at this. I thought it would be like a big move. So look, let's just go to the full screen. So it's breaking that line here. I was late. I must admit, I was late. I was a bit chasing it a little bit, but then I thought it's still quite early for the break. But then when I saw it, but look, my fill was there, and then I was like, I was looking at this line. And I said, if it goes below much, um, I'll give up on it. It seems like very often there's a first one or two breaks which are invalid, like don't go into them, it's too early, and I was caught in one of them. It's better to wait for it to consolidate a little bit longer. So, because look, I'm gonna, at the end, I think I will redraw the lines, but I want to show you my fill. Is it here? No. So like, I'm looking at it and thinking it's still bullish, and if I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna lose, but it just needed more time. So look, is it here? Yeah, look at that. How crazy was that? Look at this. I pressed the button and look where my fill is. Isn't that crazy? Um, so this is the exact moment I think I got the fill. 636. CGI. Yeah, look at the spread. Ah, look at the spread. That's why. When it has this violent move up, I thought I'm well in profit. Like, not well, but I'm not going to lose money on this. But it filled me here. It's still actually better than the spread over here. Let's just go a tiny bit back. So it's I hope you learned something from it if you watch it, because I'm definitely so I don't see when I exactly pressed it, but let's have a look. Boom, boom, boom. I'm six. Yeah, so at the moment, if I had the bid, it's 641. So that would, I'll still be down. The maximum 640. Like it's showing me, it's not right that it. What is it basing it on? On the 657 price? On the ask price? That's what it looks like. So it's that high. 640 is the maximum bid when I had the bid. 15 even. So you see, I'm clicking it and it says 635. But obviously, if there were shares available on the bid side that are higher, I'm gonna fill it at a higher price, whatever's available there. 632, 636. Yeah. So I guess it wasn't a bad. You see, there are very few shares are traded, so that's the part of the problem. But look, you look at the candle and you get a full head. It will never happen, I think, on demo. Usually you get better fills in demo. So that's what I wanted to show you how bad the actual live fills are. So there's another one. I tried it like a couple of times. It was ridiculous. Look at this. Look where I got in. Crazy. Because I thought it would be, after such a long consolidation, I thought it would be like boom, way up. And what happens? It does go up, but not after I sell. So I set I was changing, like, should I take 5 cent profit? Should I take 10 cent profit? I think I set it for 10 cent eventually, and it quickly filled my, come on, it filled me, but yeah, there it is, whatever. So I got that 10 gain, but look what happens next. I got a fill, and it's coiling up, like there's a little bit of acceleration here, yeah, and it goes much higher. So I sold too early, and the volume, look at the volume. It increased right there, so I'm not entering here, I think. But yeah, it's finally, as it started to go, I was already out. So I redrawn my lines here, but yeah, I was just too early. It just shows me that I was too early on this one. Look how high it goes. It doesn't mean it's not going to sell off. Oh, I got another tenner here because I thought it's going to push higher. So I was waiting for that 1 minute candle to sell, to drop, and then to accelerate up again. But look at this, it's not going. Yeah, tough one. Like on this one, yeah, let's have a look at this one because I didn't understand. Hold on, let me just move it. I can't. I don't have the thing switched on. The thing is switched on. But I was watching it earlier here when there was an entry here and there was some money to be made. And look at this. I think I was just not thinking straight because it's a rejection. It rejected it. It rejected the top, and this is where I got in. I hit it, and my fill was like above here, and then I closed it, and that's a quick loss. So don't buy at the right after rejection. Oh, jeez. So that was another one. Oh, I'm glad I'm trading small size. Otherwise, my account would be really bad. I was watching some other things. Let's see. Did I trade this one? No, hold on. Was it the last one I made? I think that might have been the last one. Oh yeah, because I made some money and then I did. This was my last one when it went against me, and I was watching then. I was then watching. What was I watching? I was watching PRQR for potential entry. Why is this not showing me anything more exciting? Here it is. So I saw this flag, but I was already skeptical. Like this is quite a long move, right? And then strong sell-off, and then some candles down. I didn't like that because it shows me that the stock can sell off hard. So there was this flag here, and then I thought, oh my gosh, that was a brilliant entry around here, right? When it broke it. But then I thought it would consolidate for a little bit longer, so I didn't trust this this push. So that was from 794. That's a lot of money, right? But look what happened next. That's massive. And yeah, tough. Let's put my stuff in a spreadsheet. So today, I don't know, I might look at the evening, like towards before the close, and we'll see how it goes if I decide to take something. So 12 trades. Oh no, that's negative, right? Minus. Yeah, that would be nice. Minus 19, so that actually, that would be quite a lot. What's going on here? Oh, minus 19. What's going on? I'm just gonna type it again. Minus 1971. So 33 with the costs on top of that. So approaching $100. There it is, $100, but that's for the full period. Not good. Trading is hard. But like I said, in demo, look at this. It's bad. This is exactly how I started demo trading. But over here, I'm trying to cut my losses as quickly as possible. But when I make money, I make very little. It's, yeah, tough. I'll have to, I mean, if the market changes and there's lots of move to the upside, I think I'll easily be able to get that back, right? The $100. But if the market is not offering many opportunities, even though it's moving, I'm not going to be able to capture those, because one thing is I'm not going to trust those moves, and I'll just watch them because of my experiences. Like I'm getting into flushes all the time rather than the upward moves. So I'm just increasing my losses, so that compounds. And if I keep doing that, I can wipe out even $5,000 really quickly, because it's bad. So hoping for the better times. Some say that there might be another leg down in the market. Let's have a look at this. If there is, so it looks like it's going to go lower. I don't know. This is one of the averages, so that's 10, 20, 50. That's 65 or something. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, so it's 100 because so that's again not that's 10, 20, 50. Okay, so that have 65. Okay, so that's 100-day moving average. So that now it kind of crashes down over here. And if I look at SPY, it's kind of the same, right? Well, I can't see anything because it's quite bright in here. So yeah, it's kind of curled over here, but now it's selling off again, and it might be another leg down, and we don't know how long it's going to take. So I might as well not trade for a little while until I really see the improvement. I should rewatch the videos of when the times were easy to make money and just to remind myself what am I looking for in the market. But yeah, who knows, right? It doesn't look too bullish to me at the moment. And how far are we going, right? Oh, so yeah, partially it's another learning process for me in terms of trading live account. The others, the market conditions are not favorable. I think we'll see. We'll see. So I think that's that for now. So I'll be back at it tomorrow. Friday can be a slower day, so I might not trade at all tomorrow, but we'll see. So one step forward, two steps back. One step forward, two steps back. Like I wish I didn't wait so long for the account open because I'm just at a bad time. My account has been opened at a bad time, but obviously I can't blame the market. You should know what to do regardless of the market conditions. I mean, come on, $100 in what is it? 7 days now, right? 7 days of trading. It's not too crazy, right? What's important to me is to still have the money when the market turns around and there's better opportunity, because I can live with those small losses, but then I need some profits as well, because if it's gonna take a year for the market to start going up again, then I don't see how my account will be still funded. I think there'll be no funds left. So just have to think about that. We'll try to be wise, and I'll try to take those opportunities when I see them. And I hope, by giving myself a couple of months of live trading and seeing what works, what doesn't, kind of make some adjustments, I'll maybe be able to crawl out of this hole and become profitable eventually. I'm cutting my losses early. I'm not averaging down. So if there's going to be opportunity, well, there was one yesterday, but I was too scared. If there's going to be opportunity, I hope, and eventually I'll kind of get into the stock. And once one trade is positive, I'll keep adding, or not adding, but just making small profits, and then $100 will be made back really quickly. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's Thursday already. There's one more day, and then a rest. All right, I'm gonna finish this crap. Have a nice day, and I'll see you tomorrow. If I find the stream button. There it is.